Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft Train Build Showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know that we have done here. And today we're looking at an iconic steam locomotive, the Southern Pacific Daylight. And this is a 484 with its tender, and you can see we actually have the lettering on the side of the tender here. And I think it turned out pretty cool. This is one of my favorite steam locomotives in real life because of the bright colors. And as with all my builds here, there is an interior. So you can actually come inside the cab and check this out here. And remember, if you want to build this train in your Minecraft world, I already have a tutorial video up for it on the channel already. I'll have that linked in the description here. So this is what it looks like. And we also did a conversion video for this build over here to change it to the American Freedom Train colors that it wore in the 70s with the red, white, and blue. It's just a straight recolor, so the video for this one is just a conversion video on how to recolor it and not a full tutorial. But remember, if you want to build either of these chains, check them out on my channel, and thanks for watching.